again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. That is a 14 by 14 inch canvas covered with some PPG Speedhide. And I'm about to grab whatever that is with my tweezers that you can find that are stainless steel that are on my Amazon link. And I'm going to continue to put as much paint to the outside edge with my Oxo Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula. I recommend these, the best paint spreading tool I know of, bar none. I think everybody should have one. I have 4 because I'm the one that discovered them, so it's just handy to have. And I'm going to spread that a little bit. I have a copious amount of paint, and I'm going to take my leftovers from my previous painting and spread them and then swipe them. And they're not very pretty, but there were some pretty colors in there, so we're just going to give it a shot. And if I use the ginger flower primary element from Colour Arte, keep your eye out for that 20% off coupon code below show more. That shouldn't be, we should at least get more colorful than we are now. And let that go down too. I used to use an edge catcher and I still could, but I don't think I'm going to right now. So I'm going to grab my black and my white Amsterdam, starting with the black. I'm going on to the white. Am I? I got it something anyway. I usually keep an upholstery tack in there. And I just made up some ginger flower primary element. And I think I'm going to do that again. But I have some gold, some Mayan gold. Can I get any to come out? That's the question. It's not looking it's not looking much like it's going to come out. Come on. I should just use some Atelier Rich Gold. Okay, well, I got a marble. Let's just go for the black and some more ginger flower. One of these times I'm going to use some green in one of these. I do want the Atelier Rich Gold. And I like the gray in these so much, I'm thinking about going for silver. That in the bucket. The Australian Floetrol will do its job. And sell up if it's going to. I did put GAC 800 by Golden into the PPG. Not sure what's going to happen if I spin this out. I gotta say I don't really want to, but that's pretty much what I say every time, and sometimes things are okay. Most of the time, in fact. Just add a few flourishes. and get ready to do a little spinning. I do like taking the white and moving it down into the composition too. And back up. Give it a bit of a spin. Hope for the best. Cross my fingers and toes. And remember that I like to put the painting crosswise so I have more spin arms to grab a hold of without maybe running into the painting. So I still have some paint left, and I'll put something on top of it, so I might have a chance to use it tomorrow. Everything else goes in the bucket. Tractor Supply didn't give me, but they supplied the large black rectangular bucket. I like that, and I'm good with it. One of these times I'm going to embellish something. And I'm really tempted to go ahead and use a palette knife. And transfer some of the beautiful colors and patterns. But I don't actually think it needs much of anything, which is good. Doesn't mean I don't want to try. Come on down. One of these days it'll be green. Instead of gray. A few little vines never hurt anybody. I keep wanting to put some hearts in, just some dots, but right now I think I better call it good. And I'll be looking for any bubbles that might happen to be there and pierce them. But in the meantime, my series has continued. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio in the gallery in the studio. Saying I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. My camera battery is going to die. Tip that way and zoom down in. I think only the ginger flower is shimmering, but that lump of something can go. And then I'm going to clean up and tell you guys I love you. Probably, I might even hit it with a torch really fast, although that's not a recommended thing to do. So, give me a thumbs up. I asked for a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Thank you for the donations through PayPal that have kept me painting all this time. You can find that icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner if you're interested. And while you're there, you can look at my playlists. There's 2,600 videos, and you can find them by going to playlists, all playlists, created playlists. I think if I find a... Yeah, I got one. I need a point. Just make my leaves. Make that last leaf with a little point. Just figure it's turned to the side view. No room for perfectionism in this kind of stuff. So the cells are tremendous. I love all these cells. And I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out my link tree for my Amazon link where my 2 books are. Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Look under Show More for my paint pouring recipes. On my link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has things from that are for sale, like spring clothing and Society 6 and fineartamericapixels.com. Anyway, so Community Board has tomorrow's video. I post 7 days a week at 2:15 right now, Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you there. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so much. Bye for now. Priscilla out.